Hey everyone, Linus here, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of Samsung Galaxy jailbreaking. Jailbreaking is like removing the restrictions that come pre-installed on your phone. Think of it like this: your phone comes in a box, right? Jailbreaking is like taking it out of that box and customizing it to your liking. Now I know what you're thinking, Linus. Is this safe? Is it legal? Well, the good news is that jailbreaking itself is legal, at least in most countries. However, there are always risks involved, and it's important to understand them before you start tinkering. We'll cover all of that in this comprehensive guide, so don't worry. Just remember, jailbreaking is a powerful tool that gives you more control over your device. Use it responsibly, and you'll be able to do some pretty cool things with your Galaxy phone. Let's get started. So why would you want to jailbreak your Samsung Galaxy in the first place? Well, there are a bunch of awesome benefits. One of the biggest reasons is customization. With a jailbroken phone, you can change the look and feel of your phone completely. You can install custom themes, change icons, and even tweak the animations to make your phone feel unique. No more boring stock interface for you. Jailbreaking also opens up a world of apps and tweaks that aren't available on the official App Store. Want to block ads system-wide? There's a tweak for that. Want to download videos from YouTube? Yep, there's a tweak for that too. The possibilities are truly endless. Plus, jailbreaking can even improve your phone's performance. You can remove bloatware, those annoying pre-installed apps you never use, overclock your processor for a speed boost, or even underclock it to save battery life. It's all about having complete control over your own device. Alright, before we get our hands dirty with the actual jailbreaking process, let's talk about the risks. Jailbreaking can be an exciting venture, offering a world of customization and control over your device that you wouldn't normally have. However, it's crucial to weigh these benefits against the potential downsides. As much as I love tinkering with tech, it's important to be aware of the potential downsides. The thrill of unlocking new features can sometimes overshadow the risks involved. First and foremost, jailbreaking can void your warranty. This means that any official support or repairs from Samsung will be off the table. That's right. If something goes wrong with your phone after jailbreaking it, Samsung might not be willing to fix it for free. You could end up paying out of pocket for repairs that would have otherwise been covered. Now, I know what you're thinking. Linus, I'm careful. Nothing will go wrong. And you might be right, but it's still a risk to keep in mind. Even the most tech-savvy individuals can encounter unexpected issues. And you're probably right, but it's still a risk to keep in mind. Another concern is security. Jailbreaking can open up your phone to vulnerabilities that weren't there before. Jailbreaking can potentially make your phone more vulnerable to malware and other security threats. This is because the process often involves bypassing built-in security measures. This is because jailbreaking gives you access to the root file system of your phone, which is normally off-limits for a reason. The root file system is where the core of your phone's operating system resides, and tampering with it can have unintended consequences. Finally, there's always the risk of bricking your phone. This is a worst-case scenario where your phone becomes completely unresponsive. Bricking in the tech world means turning your phone into a useless brick. It's rare, especially with modern jailbreaking methods, but it's still a possibility, however slim. Imagine the frustration of having a device that won't even turn on. It's rare, especially with modern jailbreaking methods, but it's still a possibility, however slim. The peace of mind that comes with knowing your phone is safe and functional is invaluable. So, there you have it, the good, the bad, and the ugly of jailbreaking. Weigh these risks carefully before you decide to proceed. Remember, while the allure of customization is strong, the potential downsides are significant. Make an informed decision and proceed with caution. Section 4. Gathering your jailbreaking toolkit. Okay, so you've weighed the risks and benefits, and you've decided to take the plunge into the world of jailbroken galaxies. This is an exciting step, but it requires careful preparation. Awesome! Let's gather the tools you'll need for this operation. Having the right tools at your disposal will make the process smoother and more efficient. First things first, you'll need a computer. This is essential because the jailbreaking process involves running specific software that can only be executed on a computer. This can be a Windows PC, a Mac, or even a Linux machine. Each operating system has its own set of compatible tools, so make sure your computer is ready for the task. We'll be using the computer to download the necessary software and connect to your phone. This software is crucial for unlocking the full potential of your Samsung Galaxy. Speaking of software, the most important tool you'll need is a jailbreak tool specifically designed for your Samsung Galaxy model. These tools are developed by experts and are tailored to work with specific phone models. These tools are constantly being updated, so it's crucial to find the latest version that's compatible with your phone's software version. Always check for the most recent updates to ensure compatibility and security. Don't worry, we'll point you in the right direction later on. There are plenty of resources and guides available to help you find the right tool. You'll also need a USB cable to connect your phone to your computer. This connection is vital for transferring the necessary files and executing the jailbreak process. Make sure it's a reliable cable that can handle data transfer, not just charging. A faulty cable can interrupt the process and cause issues. Lastly, and this is important, make sure you have a good internet connection. A stable connection is essential for downloading the required files and software updates. We'll be downloading some files, and a stable internet connection will make the process much smoother. Interruptions in your connection can lead to incomplete downloads and potential problems. With all these tools in hand, you're now ready to move on to the next step. Preparation is key, and having everything you need will set you up for a successful jailbreak. Section 5. Preparing your Galaxy for jailbreaking. Alright, we're almost ready to hit that jailbreak button, but first, we need to prepare your Samsung Galaxy for the process. This step is crucial to ensure everything goes smoothly and to minimize any potential risks. Think of it like this. You wouldn't jump into a pool without dipping your toes in first, right? Same principle here. We need to make sure the water is just right before diving in. First and foremost, back up your phone. This is the most important step in the preparation process. I cannot stress this enough. Backing up your data ensures that you won't lose any important information if something goes wrong. Jailbreaking involves modifying system files, and while it's generally safe, there's always a small chance that something could go wrong. This could result in data loss or even bricking your phone. Better safe than sorry, right? A backup gives you peace of mind and a safety net to fall back on. You can back up your phone using Samsung's Smart Switch software, which is designed specifically for this purpose. Alternatively, you can simply back up your important data to your computer or cloud storage. This includes photos, contacts, messages, and any other essential files. Next, you'll need to enable developer options on your phone. This step is necessary to access advanced settings that are crucial for the jailbreaking process. This is a hidden menu that gives you access to advanced settings, including the option to enable USB debugging. USB debugging allows your computer to communicate with your phone during the jailbreak. To enable developer options, go to Settings, About Phone, and tap on the build number 7 times. This will unlock the developer options menu. You should see a message saying, "You are now a developer." This means you've successfully unlocked the developer options menu. Don't worry, you don't need to be a coding wizard for this. It's a simple process that anyone can do. Once developer options is enabled, go to Settings, Developer Options, and enable USB debugging. This setting is essential for the jailbreaking process. This will allow your computer to communicate with your phone properly during the jailbreak process. Without this, the jailbreak software won't be able to interact with your phone. Finally, make sure your phone is charged to at least 50%. A low battery can cause the jailbreak process to fail, which could lead to complications. Jailbreaking can take a while, and you don't want your phone to die in the middle of the process. A fully charged phone ensures that you have enough power to complete the jailbreak without interruptions. With these preparations complete, you're now ready to proceed with the jailbreaking process. Take a deep breath, and let's move on to the next step.